Welcome back to another video. Let's run through the safety equipment. We have nitrile safety gloves and an M7502 safety mask. Using kiwi green alcohol ink, 150 milliliters of B side into one cup, 150 milliliters of A side in the other. Combine the two together and begin mixing. When mixing the resin, it will become cloudy and then clear, as you will see here from this close-up. As you can see, it's currently clear. As they begin to mix together, it'll go cloudy. Continue to mix it together, and it'll return to being clear. Let's add the coloring, as well as some glitter. Mix everything together before we pour it out onto a flat surface to remove the bubbles. Using coaster molds, I'm lowering the distance the bubbles need to travel to reach the surface. I'm going to be letting them sit for about 5 minutes before pouring them into the mold. I'm trying to release any bubbles that got caught under the eye sockets by moving the mold around. Finish pouring everything and refill the coaster molds. Spray everything with isopropyl alcohol to remove any bubbles on the surface. Now to wait for 24 hours and see how it turns out. Alright, it's been 24 hours, so let's see how this turned out. So far, I did think there was going to be a lot more bubbles in it, so I'm very satisfied with that. Especially the eye sockets. On my last skull, it was full of bubbles, but this time not as much. A lot better this time around. And that's how to make an epoxy skull in 3 minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.